What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Terra Luna, which has hit a massive green candlestick as you guys can see here. And yes guys, it has pumped up over 70% in the not just last 24 hours, I would say over the last 2 to 3 hours. A sudden pump. So we're going to be going through why has it pumped up so much, and it's currently trading at $1.42. So how high can it go? Can it potentially head around $2, or is it going to crash back down? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it a crypto to be investing into right now? Is it too late, especially with the crypto market on the green side and Bitcoin heading over $68,000 about 12 hours ago? How is this going to impact Terra Luna? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? Or is it simply time to hold on to it for the long term in 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Terra Luna, which is here in purple at just under 80 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at over $1.52, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. However, the only bad side to that is there is a huge difference in value between these two, meaning it may be overvalued and maybe in for a little bit of a dip, which I will also be covering later on in the video. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, I didn't expect any different. The blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. Again, the fact that it's looking so steep is not realistic, only looking so steep because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 2 hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace. However, that is clearly not the case. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Terra Luna to have dipped back down to around just about $1.30, $1.35 in value. Reason being is it is slightly overvalued right now, and yes, I'm not expecting it to crash back down in value right now. In fact, I'm expecting it to pump up higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of hours, potentially to $1.65, $1.70 or slightly higher, before it starts to hit red candles towards this evening and in the early hours of tomorrow, dropping down to around $1.30, $1.35 is where I'm expecting it to be fluctuating around by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, exact same. The blue and the orange line are still looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction and looking very steep as well. So again, it's not realistic, exact same as the previous chart. So over the next 7 to 8 days, over the coming week, I'm expecting Terra Luna to have stepped back down in value once again, dropping down to just around the $1 mark is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Exact same reason guys, it is currently overvalued. It's gone for a major pump in value out of nowhere. So its next step is to go for a price correction. So do expect Terra Luna to be hitting red days over the coming days and potentially early next week as well. Dropping down to around the dollar mark is where I'm expecting it to be trading at by the end of the week. Moving on to the daily chart. Once again, the huge pump guys has made the whole graph change into a positive direction and looking quite steep once again. So you probably guessed it, yes, it's not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late April 2024, I'm expecting Terra Luna to have dropped back down in value to around the 80-85 cents in value. So Let me explain that in a little bit more detail. In fact, I'm expecting it to drop down to around 65 cents by mid to late March 2024, and potentially for the rest of March, April and May it should slowly start to gain value up to around 85 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be hovering around. However, with the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, this could have a major impact not just on Terra Luna but the crypto market in general, which I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, because the Bitcoin halving is definitely going to have a major impact on the crypto market itself. So I will be updating you guys on that on a regular basis closer to the date and as I get more information. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. We are still trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the resistance target we need to hit around $2.83, which I'm not expecting Luna to hit at the moment. Potentially second half of the year or Q4 of 2024 is when I'm expecting it to head up to around the $2.40 $2.50 target. And again, I'll keep you guys updated on a regular basis if you guys want me to, but it will take quite a while, a couple of months, for it to essentially head closer to the green zone here. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up quite hugely, 630% in the last 24 hours, making it $504 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason being is it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours, as you guys can see here, according to Binance, and it is getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype around it. So we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto, buying it and selling it. However, for those of you guys investing into the crypto right now, I would make sure my risk management is on point, because as I mentioned, I'm expecting it to go for a price correction. So Luna, can it essentially hit $5 anytime soon, guys? A lot of people have been saying that online, which I have seen as well. However, $5 is quite of a push for 2024. I'm not expecting it to hit that value at the moment. Potentially by mid next year or second half of next year is when I'm expecting Terra Luna to be heading around the $5 mark. But right now, personally, from the predictions and analysis that I have done, $5 is quite of a push. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Terra Luna, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.